Hi lovely people, my name is Tawa, your skincare advocate, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a mini facial at home using matcha green tea. So matcha green tea is like the purest form of green tea. It's from Japan, and yeah, green tea is definitely one of those antioxidants that can really help you improve your skin if you're struggling with acne, if you're struggling with aging, fine lines and wrinkles, dark patches. Green tea is like an all-rounder, and that's why you see it in most anti-aging serums or acne treatments, because it's also very calming. And yeah, so this video is going to be good for you if you like DIY, or if you don't like DIY but you like to try out anything that can clear or brighten your skin, then you want to watch this video. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I like to do this on a weekend, and the first thing I do is to turn on the steamer. So while the face steamer is, warming up to really get that steam coming out, we're gonna make the mask, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of the matcha green tea mask. I'm gonna use 2 full spoons of warm water and 1 full spoon of my hydrating toner from PCA. And I'm gonna be using the hydrating toner in this just to give it that extra richness, because I don't trust that just warm water is enough to really give me that quality richness that I'm looking for in my mask. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it using this little brush in a bowl, and here's what the mask looks like after mixing it, and we're all set to begin the facial. And so the first thing I do is do a deep cleanse, and that's why I have the steamer on, because your deep cleanse is basically just cleansing your face with your gentle cleanser. My cleanser is a cream cleanser. It's super gentle, it's fragrance free, it's non-comedogenic, so I'm able to leave it on my skin for 2 to 5 minutes as I steam my face. So yeah, while I cleanse my face, I'm also steaming my face. And what the steamer does is really just to help loosen any oil or dirt that a cold face wash may not be able to give you. And the steamer is not very hot, so there's no risk of inflammation or burning my skin. You want to be very careful with steaming your face, because a lot of people steam and they don't realize that they're causing inflammation that you don't see until it heals into dark patches. So yeah, right after doing this for about 2 to 5 minutes, we're gonna wash off the cleanser and turn off the steamer. We've had enough. So yeah, the next thing is to apply the mask all over my face and neck, and then I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes to really let it sit. And while it's on my face, I'm gonna be spraying my face with the hydrating toner just to boost the hydration on my face. So the next step after getting the mask out of my face is to use a toner again and follow with my final treatment, which can be a serum, it can be a rich moisturizer, and in this case I'm going to be using my Albertine face mask, just because it's a mini facial, and a mini facial is not complete without a brightening mask. And alpha Albertine is one of those pigment inhibitors that you want to have in your skincare routine if you're like me that struggle with hyperpigmentation. So, and that's why I got the mask. So I'm gonna be using this mask, and I'll leave it on for just about 5 minutes. The liquid left from the mask, I'm gonna be rubbing it all over my neck just to make sure that the entire face and neck gets the goodness. So yeah, and if this was done during the day, I'll follow with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. But because I'm doing this in the evening, at this point I don't need the sunscreen, so I'm just gonna follow up with a moisturizer. And the moisturizer I'm gonna be using is the Elta MD PM Therapy, just because it's PM already and it's a rich moisturizer. And so if you're getting value from this video, please give me a thumbs up, or just leave me an emoji in the comment section so I know you like these types of videos, or let me know what you would like to see from me next. Also, if you are going to be trying any of these tips, let me know. You can do a mini facial with any type of mask. I'm going to be doing another video on different homemade masks that you can use to get a mini facial at home, because I know it can be very difficult to find a good esthetician to do your facial, or to even make time to go get a facial every month, or every quarter like I do. I set a goal to do a facial every quarter, but that has been hard. Haven't been able to get a facial since the lockdown, but thank God for the mini facial that I do at home. My skin has really thrived tremendously with all these things, and that's why I'm sharing them with you, because I know that if you try any of these things, your skin can also benefit from them. So our facial is done. Don't forget, no facial is complete without a lip balm. So I'm gonna be adding my Laneige lip balm. You can use African shea butter or any lip balm of your choice. There's nothing special about the Laneige lip balm. I just got it because I wanted to do a little bit something extra for my lip.